Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Nike application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Nike app on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the sign up as well as sign in button. Go ahead and tap on sign up in order to create your new account. You will now be taken into the sign up page. Go ahead and type in your email address that you wish to use for your sign up and then tap on the continue button. You will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. After entering the verification code from your email, go ahead and type in your first and your last name, followed by your desired password for your account. Then you can enter your date of birth within the date of birth section, and finally click on the I agree checkbox at the end to agree with the terms and privacy policy. After this, you can click on the create account button, and now your account has been created and you will successfully be signed up. And you will now be able to start shopping on the Nike application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Nike app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.